Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang kini. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bilay si Bon.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Mekhlaya Conrad Kisangma haka arpur tarik jemang arjar puar ula kentui ki pajba nong sisnong ban thied pyndonkam ikali ki ban ya da boarding elektrik yakani ula penpau peni pajba ikali MG ZS EV ke badai kali elektrik benongkong bak sekretariat Menteri Rangba kalayo pediang kini kali elektrik songdor arpuar hadu arpur lak tengka bar Conrad loong bakat kum kecingya ke puar larang kami kini cai kali khrang ban pelan no na ki ba pyndonkam da ompriang petrol na diesel ki bakta e kami moriang.
I'm very happy that today the CM Secretariat has just received the MG ZS EV. It's the first electric vehicle in the CM Secretariat. And as we know that while we move ahead in the future, we have to look at non-fossil fuel vehicles and sources of energy. And keeping in mind the effects of climate change and global warming, we need to ensure that we move towards it. So this is a step towards encouraging, and I urge all other citizens also in the state that we should start using electric vehicles more and more. So this is a step towards it, and I hope that others will also follow. Thank you very much.